Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. We have for you today a stunning delivery mileage 22 plate Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. Now this is no ordinary Kombi, this is the top of the range bi-turbo 204ps 4Motion model with a DSG gearbox and very rare to find in a long wheelbase. As you can see, pure grey paint, the most desirable colour. Got our MASV styling pack on it. Front spoiler and all the gloss black styling to the grills. Little details, we also do gloss black on the 4Motion badge and then a contrasting matte VW badge. Now this one's got a humongous factory spec on it as well as a load of enhancements that we've added. So you can see there it's got the LED lights, 20-inch VLR 16 alloy wheels with the Uniroyal tyres, lowered 30mm on genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. Has got the trapezoid sidebars and also the aluminium roof rails too. The black pack extends to the mirror surrounds and caps. Privacy tints to the rear windows. And we have had a stunning bespoke sport seat leather trim installed on this one. So there's single piece back seats with integrated headrest. Brand new pattern for us as well. Two-tone with the light grey internal and the black Nappa outer. Full Nappa leather this. Very expensive job to do, but looks different to anything else out there. This one's got the Discover Media nav with streaming and internet. Twin electric sliding doors. Front and rear park sensors with park assist, that's basically self-park. Heated front seats and aircon there as well. This one's also got the carbon leather steering wheel upgrade with adaptive cruise. It's a really nice environment for the driver and passenger in the front there, which extends through to the rear. We've had done in a matching trim on the 2+1 seating. Now you can see in the back here that it's been carpet lined and suede lined on the roof with LED downlighters. Now that doesn't tell the full story because this vehicle has been fully sound deadened and thermal insulated. We removed the whole floor all throughout the vehicle, the whole ceiling, all the door cards, sound deadened and thermal lined behind all those. Very, very labour intensive job. Use a lot of product. Not something you can see, as I say, but does make a difference when you're driving it to the noise levels inside the vehicle. High level rear spoiler at the top there. Debadged apart from the glossed 4Motion badge. Has got a reverse camera, this one. MASV detailing. And the carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. Looking in from the rear, you can see the carpet lining once again. We've also added in some additional points. You've got a 12 volt and a double USB there as well, perfect for cool box or charging devices if you just sort of sat on the back step there, overlooking a beach, whiling the time away. You can charge your devices while you're doing that. This is a delivery mileage vehicle, so only 187 miles covered just from the dealer to us. Give you a closer look at that carbon wheel. Stunning finish on those. And the leather seats once again. This vehicle is VAT qualifying, so if you're a VAT registered business, you may be able to claim all of the VAT back on the sale price. We've got 20 plus photos and a full description written on our advert at martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. Different finance facilities are available and we do take part exchanges. So if you're interested, please do get in touch with us about this vehicle. Thanks for watching.